Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls, and I hope you are all well and fit, and I hope you've all enjoyed the series, the 4-part series with Mr. Gary Thompson, the AKA Mr. Lambo, as you can call him that. And if it weren't for him, we wouldn't have our cars. So thanks, Gary. This next episode that you're going to see on the car build is sort of different to what I've been putting out before, because obviously going to see Gary, and Gary's not in a good place at the moment, and it's kind of affected me, and a couple of other things going on in the background. So when I've looked over the footage of me doing stuff on the car, it hasn't kind of played out how I wanted it, but enough of me babbling on about it. So here's a video. Hope it's good enough for you guys and girls, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, this is what I've been working on. Made a platform in there, and then under this lip is fuel cap, just like the original. Lovely. Obviously it's still a bit rough at the moment, but I think it looks pretty good. Get that back up again. And of course, take the fuel cap off. This one fill up, and it's all sealed because there's a metal plate underneath there with a rubber in between it. So if you spill any fuel, it stays in that little bit there, and it doesn't go anywhere else. So I'm well happy with that. And here's a view looking down through it. So I built this tray, built all this side, so when the air comes through, it goes straight into the radiator. This lip here, of course, is going to be a board there. It's going to go onto that, and yeah, I'm really happy. Right, so I've rolled out. These are going to be the sides that go separate the engine to the radiators. Got these set up now. I'm just going to mix this, nice and simple, same operation. Put some foil down so it don't stick to anything, and then lay some of that down. Job done. Right, I've cut bits I need. These are going to be for the rear vent, the outlets for the rear vent. So it'll come clear once they're all done and they're in. I got there up there. Done the sides, just got to cut them to fit either side, and we'll glass these up, wait for them to dry, and then we can put them all together then. Okay, they've dried and I've pinned them up like this now, and that's what the duct is going to look like to come into the back vent. So we're going to just lay some fiberglass down the sides, yada yada yada, simple stuff. See when they're done. Okay, now we're setting them up. These are the exit ports. Got 2 of them here, and that's the plate that they're going to go onto. So I'll go on the front of there, and I'm going to cut a hole out. We've got to make another plate of that yet. There's the 2 of them. Just waiting for them to go off, and then we can have a look. Okay, so this is what I've come up with. I've extended this to look through, and then you come over the top, made a false floor. We got the siding, and obviously the air goes through the radiator, and it can only go out through the vent. Down the vent, we take the vent off, and there we are, a nice channel straight way through. So I think will work brilliant. Now you've got the one side is on, And we got all that to do on the other side. I'm pretty chuffed for that. That came out really good. Right, this morning we're going to do the boot lid. We've got both of them sides are in. I've somewhere lost my tap, so I can't put them in properly. That one's pretty much done. And I'm going to make this in here now to cover this out. So that's next. Right, so I've laid up the bottom of this. I run out of some foil, so I'm hoping it comes off the cardboard. If not, we're going to make a hell of a mess. So we got a nice big section here for the boot. And we're just waiting for it to set so we can hopefully remove it all from there and then shape it while it's in the boot. And that's pretty much the boot done. Quite happy with that. Obviously we've got to sort that out. Waiting for a tap because I lost it, so I bought another one. But that's it. That goes down in there. It's got sides on it. Got the side on it. And got nice cubby holes either side to put something deep in. Plenty of trunk space here. Or boot space, trunk space. Wherever part of the world you're from. Okay, we're going to start with the rear glass that goes in here. I'm going to make a frame because I got some U-channel here and some rubber. So we'll cut some lengths and then we'll have a look from there. Right, okay, here's all our U-channel cut and ready for welding, and it's pretty much the same as when we did the door frames. And I don't think I'll bore you with me welding that up, so just get on with it, weld it, and then we'll see what it looks like. Obviously these tabs here I've left because they're going to be drilled and tapped, just in case glass breaks and we need to put a new one in. So they'll be drilled into the top one, and same the other side. And then we'll have a tab inside on the firewall there as well. Right, so you've finished welding them up, and I'm just pushing this flocking, as they call it, into the gap, and then we can put the glass in there, and then we find out where we've got to drill for the top piece for this bit, these bits to go into, and just as simple as just push it in. There you go. Nothing too exciting. Just like that, push them in, job done. Well, there we have it. Took me all of like 10 minutes to make that. So we're going to try and mount it in the back of there now. So it turned out pretty well. Right, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some L-shaped brackets. 2 for the bottom, 2 for the top, out of some scrap stainless steel. So make some little brackets, and we'll bend them, weld them on, and then jump in. There is our nice 4 little tabs. We're going to weld on like so, obviously all the way around, and then we can drill it straight to the firewall, and we can always take it back off if anything happens, or to clean the glass or anything like that. So just going to weld them on, and then we can get them on the car. Right, got our 4 tabs on. So this is going to be quite fun actually. I'm going to get in here, drill and tap holes in that. I don't know, but I suppose when I put the camera back on, it should be on there. Fingers crossed. Wow, that was one of the hardest things to do, because I had to be a lead on there, upside down, trying to drill and tap, and but have a look. Down on the other side. There's a look from the inside. Oh yeah. Tidy. Just gotta sort these little gaps out here now with some fiberglass, and job done. side, down this side, bottom. I'm just waiting for it to all go off, and it is in. It's looking pretty good. Gives that sense of depth when you're in the car, which is what I was looking for. Didn't want it flush like you see on some, because on the original I think it's set back like that. So yeah, quite happy with that. Right, this is the center console I just knocked up. Nothing special. Simple piece of wood. There's some cardboard on here where the handbrake goes. Easy construction. Anybody can make this really. Bit of wood, bit of fiberboard on here for the curve. And now I gotta try and cover all that in fiberglass. So I think I might do the one side first, then do the other, let it go off, and then do the top. And then fingers crossed, we'll see what it comes out like. Right, we've glassed him up. It's got pretty hard now. So I'm gonna only put one layer on the outside, because what I want to do is get all the outside of it done and the other side, and then turn it inside out, and then build up the layers from inside. But yeah, it's pretty looking pretty good. And this bit came out brilliant for the handbrake. So I'm well chuffed off. Right, the other side's done, that's dry, so we stood him up, and now we got a nice piece to go on the front, and we'll get that piece all done in, and then we can flip him over then, and put some more matting on the inside. But it's coming out really good. Right then, we're just waiting for this to go off, and then we can pull it out, tidy him up, and it looks pretty good actually. It's nice and smooth. I know you can see all the foil underneath, but the actual fiberglass itself isn't that. It's nice and flat and nice. So yeah, looking forward to taking all that apart and reinforcing it inside. Okay, well, we got it out. It come out pretty easy actually, because we've only got the one layer on there. So now I'm going to tidy all that out of there, so we can lay some more fiberglass, strengthen it up. I'm pretty happy with that. Well, we've got it in temporary at the moment. Looks pretty good actually. I'm quite pleased with that. So that's come out. That's come out really good. So after all said and done, this is kind of what the interior is looking like, and it's getting there slowly, which I'm quite chuffed with. So aye, it's looking pretty good. So yeah, I mean the build now is coming to a close. We haven't really got much left to do, and I've got to save for some big ticket items, like all the interior, the leather and the front windscreen. Got to save it for them, and the paint, and obviously the thing to help us paint the car with. So yeah, I'm pretty achieved pretty chuffed at where the car has come so far. I was hoping to get it done and on the road for the end of this summer, but some of the things have happened in the background. I don't think that's going to happen this summer, which I'm a bit disappointed with, but there's always next summer. So until the next video, which I don't know what that's going to be and what it's going to entail, thank you all for watching, and I shall catch you in the next one. One more thing I nearly forgot. There's the car that Gary signed in part 4. I'm gonna try and raffle that off to raise some money, either for cancer research or for Gary's family or whatever. So I was going to do like on eBay or something like that, but I thought let's give everybody the equal opportunity. So I'm going to do a raffle. I think it's going to be about £2 a ticket. So obviously the more tickets you buy, the more chance you got of actually winning it, and all the money will go to him and support wherever he needs supporting. And so yeah, that will be on Facebook. I think I don't know if I'll be able to get in here on the next video, but I'm trying to get up and running and get the money the faster I can. So if you'd like to contribute and be in a chance of winning a one-of-a-kind Gary Thompson Lamborghini Countach signed by him, then get in the raffle, and good luck to everybody that enters. So catch you again.